And we're back. This week it is the CH Man. This one's going to be very interesting. I've been waiting to do this one for a while. Let's go ahead and tell you a little bit about it. It has a see-through chassis, which we do like, with 2 barrel spacers. It is a frame lock, deep carry, pocket clip, only for those right-handed tip-up folks. Has that razor blade style look. It is 8.27 inches overall. The blade length is 3.66 inches. Handle length is 4.6. The blade is very thin at 0.15. It is rounded on top, so you don't get any push into your thumb when you're pressing hard on it. As you can see there. The blade width is 0.82. It is an S35VN blade with a satin finish. The hardness is 59 to 60. Handle material is titanium. It is a flipper. It's pretty easy to one hand. And it's pretty balanced. It's a little heavier in the handle. The net weight of this knife is 3.7 ounces. It is made by CH Knife. It has ceramic ball bearing for the pivot. So it has all the top quality materials. Current price on this knife is $65.88, which obviously is subject to change because any comparable quality knife, I know 2 other companies that make a knife very similar to this, and I believe one of them is $187, and I can't remember exactly how much the other one is, but I believe it's in the same price range. We'll go ahead and grab some material to cut here. As you can see that it's going to cut very efficiently. And there is one other feature on this knife that we'll get to in just one second that I really like. You can see it cut right through that, didn't leave any fraying whatsoever. And here's where we're going to get to that other feature. If you notice, the tip of this knife is extremely sharp. It's got a nice fine point on it. So you can easily cut something with the point. Whoops, I didn't stay on my line. Almost like a razor blade. You can see on this knife it's going to be a little more, I guess the word is broody, because the blade is so thin down here and thicker up here that it's going to push its way through. We'll grab another piece and see if we can see how it does with any stabbing cutting. Yeah, I didn't think it would do very well there because this part is not sharpened. Caught the tip just a little bit. It was very sharp. So it's not going to be a good, it's not designed for that obviously, but it's going to do everything else you need it to do. Alright, let's put that away. So this is the CH Man, titanium, S35VN. It's got a nice choil. So if you want to hold it like this, of course you can also hold it in your reverse grip, but it is a frame lock, not really designed for that type of use. It also has a lanyard hole at the end. Very nice. For those of you who are watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife, like our posts. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to our channel. Watch our shows. You won't be disappointed. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.